Hey, everyone's Fox Sky Fly here, Jerry. Doing if I can, do a short little video on Moto Alliance on their bed cover here on a 24 Can-Am Commander. And just got this today. Came FedEx. Came with a hole in it, and with a couple other box dents in it. Just do not like FedEx at all. Every time I get something from them, it's just horrible. Anyway, back to this. Took me a couple minutes to figure out how to put it on. There's no instructions. Nobody else has one of these. I don't know if I'm impressed with this or not. I don't think I am so far. Fits okay. The cushions that they give you that go down in the holes here, there's one here, whatever. That's all it is that holds that on. There's one on each side, and they give you a little teeny washer to hold it on. As you can see, I put a bigger washer on them. That little washer is what they give you on there. So, not overly impressed. This here cover don't fit very well. When you open this, it's fine. It opens right up, but watch the seam. When it pops in there, it pops to the left. And there's no way to adjust it because the roll pin is in there. There's no way underneath it. There's nothing. There's no hole, so it must be molded in there. No, there is a hole right there. That's nice. That'll fill in with water or whatever. Oh boy. There's no covers for the holes, which to me is aesthetic, is everything, but yeah, whatever. The first time that my wife gets hit with this, I'm never going to hear the end of it. You get one strut, even though there's bolt holes for two, and if you put it up and hold it, it's fine. But if you put it up, okay, you're on the road, and you let it go, she's going to come down. Yeah, and it's going to hurt, because it's, what, 54 pounds? So it's not very good. Why don't they give you two struts? Now to this. The seals that they give you, they're junk. Again, this is brand new. I just got this today at about 2 o'clock. FedEx was late, of course, but that is hanging there. And here's the seam, the seal for the backside here. I've cleaned this and cleaned this and cleaned this with rubbing alcohol. That's all I've got. With that, you can see the paper towels. I can't get it to stick. I have this here from my Super ATV, which is the seam down there. I even tried that. This just falls right off. So this doesn't do any good. There. So this, I've cleaned the stick. Sticks with my finger okay. Well, I guess not really. But I've cleaned that very lightly with rubbing alcohol. I cleaned this with rubbing alcohol. Will not stick, so I have no back seam. So being watertight, airtight like they claim, no, not so much. Just not happy. I have, with what you pay for these things, that's, I don't know if I would spend this kind of money again on one of these. And it was a cross between this and the rotocap. In the rotocap, you can see the outline here of the rotocap, basically. And my wife wanted something more square, so it's more storage for when we travel, which is nice. But I like this one as well because when you lock this, and it locks okay. Oops, gotta get it on there. So when it doesn't lift up, and I like this one. because you cannot open the gate. I like that. It pretty much secures everything in there. And what I also did is I took some, just this is actually, I did a seal with just a noodle. I cut little slivers out of it, and then I used basically some rubber cement. It's a Gorilla Glue, and glued that down. And this is other seal that I had from my 2017 Commander from Super ATV. This was extra seal for the windshield. That it just basically made that seam, so I got it up here. So now, technically, this should be watertight, or virtually, except I have no rear seal, and that one falls off. And I'm sure within not too long of a time, the whole seam's gonna let go, the seal's gonna let go, and I'm gonna have something that is not what I paid for. I mean, you pay dearly for these things for what they are, and not impressed at all. I know I ranted a good 6 minutes here or more, but it looks nice, it's gonna be functional, but for considering it watertight like they say, no, not at all. I can't get nothing to stick to it. I've tried my other seals that I have. I can't get nothing to stick to it. They should have, all it's gonna take is just one little think and down she's gonna come. Yeah, that's, my wife I'll never hear the end of it. But they don't give you plugs like I thought they would, so you get no plugs. The washer they give you could be a little bit bigger. The seal, no, it doesn't seal at all, not at all. There's no seal here again. I know, again, I'm ranting, but again, you pay for these things, just, and oh yeah, this seal was in the box. The plastic bag, I forgot about that. The cap, that cap was in that bag. That seal was in the box, and it was covered full of plastic shavings. So when they made this and they drilled all the holes and everything, they didn't even take the time to clean out the plastic shavings. I think I got them all out here. They're in the garbage. Yeah, so this was loaded, and you can see here, there's the cardboard that it was stuck to. So it sticks to cardboard, there's nothing else like it's supposed to. So anyway, Moto Alliance, you need to do something about this. I don't know if I got a bad cover or what. Maybe it was a Friday cover, but no, I ordered it on Memorial Day. This was your Memorial Day special. Maybe that's what it was. I get the clothes out of the junk ones, but not happy, not at all. The only thing I do like is I can lock the gate. So far, that's about the only thing I like about it. But Moto Alliance, you need to do something about this. Hawk Sky Flyer out.